I traveled for years with Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and several other books. I've also studied many other investors and financial advisors on my path to creating wealth. However, I did more than just read the books. I invested. My first investment was a condo in downtown Austin, and from there I acquired and redeveloped single-family properties, multifamily property, and office buildings. As a licensed real estate broker, I've been involved in hundreds of transactions over the past 30 years. Hi, my name is Wayne Morgan, and I co-own one of the largest real estate education schools in Texas. I'm a licensed broker and a real estate investor. If you have wandered off the path to wealth and want to get back on and finish your journey to freedom, our next Investors Coaching Program begins April 25th. Between now and then, we will be conducting a series of previews to introduce people like you to our program to see if it might be a fit for you. If you want to invest in real estate, but you don't know what to do or how to do it, this program is for you. We make the complex simple, and we guarantee results. That's right. If you don't at least make your money back in 12 months, we'll give it back to you. The first preview for this event is March 21st from 10 a.m. to noon. If you've had enough of not having enough and you are committed and coachable, I'll see you at the event.